This is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. On today's video, guys, we are going to make homemade butter rolls from scratch. These rolls, guys, they will melt in your mouth the minute you take that first bite. They are fluffy and soft. So, guys, let's get started. You know, Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. To start, in a large bowl, combine all-purpose flour, instant yeast, salt, and sugar, and mix well. Next, add beaten eggs, followed by mixture of warm milk and water. Mix well until everything is moistened. Next, using your hand, knead the dough for about 2 minutes just to make everything come together. Now turn out the dough onto a work surface and knead for good 5 minutes. Place the dough back into the bowl, then cover with a plastic wrap and let it rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, on a lightly floured surface, using your hands, knead the dough for about 5 minutes until it's soft and pliable. Form the dough into a round ball, then cover with a plastic wrap and let it rest for 5 minutes. After the dough has rested for 5 minutes, place it on a lightly floured surface. Then roll it out in 15 by 9 inches rectangle. Sprinkle a little bit of flour on the dough, then rub some on the rolling pin. When you roll the dough, start at the center, then spin the dough a quarter turn, and again, starting at the center, roll away from you. After you have achieved your rectangle, now we're gonna go ahead and spread the melted butter on top. Next, roll up the dough tightly and cut into 11 triangle even pieces. If you like this video, guys, give it a like, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this recipe or what we can do to improve this channel. Also, if it's your first time here, please consider subscribing, like, comment, and hit that notification bell so that every time I upload a new video, you get notified. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your loyalty and your love and support. I love you, my honeybees. Once all that is cut, we're gonna place on a parchment lined baking sheet. Next, cover with a clean kitchen towel and place in a warm place to rise for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, the rolls has doubled in size. Now we're gonna egg wash the rolls. For the egg wash, you need 1 egg yolk and 1 tablespoon of cold water. Now bake the rolls in a 375 degrees Fahrenheit preheated oven for 18 minutes or until golden. The rolls are done, guys. I just removed from the oven, brush with melted butter. It smells amazing in here, guys. These rolls, guys, they are buttery, fluffy and soft and delicious. They really goes well with butter and jam. Transfer the rolls onto a cooling rack to cool. You can serve them warm or cold. These delicious rolls are perfect for any occasion. I hope you will try this recipe, guys, and if you do, please let us know how it turned out for you. Dust with powdered sugar and enjoy. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.